Depending on your home automation and security system, the standard contact sensor, now this one here is a door and window contact sensor from a now deprecated ADT SmartThings system. Apparently the joint venture between ADT and Samsung SmartThings failed, and well, they decided to pull the cloud services, and these aren't compatible with anything else. But so I've pulled this out for the family that was using them and replaced it with something else. But I wanted to show you, they had me do something to turn one of these sensors, actually two of these sensors, into tilt sensors for the roll-up garage doors. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so here we are out in the garage. You can see that funny block up there. That's one of those sensors. There we go. You got a sensor and a magnet. You see it's on a piece of piano hinge that I've just cut to size. And it's all bound with white 3M foam tape, the mounting tape stuff. And as you see, the sensor part pivots. When the door is down, it's all nice and closed, and it shows up as closed in the software. Now I need both hands to do this, but I'll be right back with the door open. Okay, now the door is open. You can see that it's naturally swung away and opened that circuit. Now the idea here is as soon as the door rolls up over the corner of the track and starts to move, basically by the time it's about 4 inches up, it starts to tilt. So you can't even get a skinny person under that door without triggering this sensor. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please click like, subscribe, and share my content. Please go back and watch the old stuff. There's a lot of good material there for you to enjoy. And like I always say, get out there, be busy, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.